Hello everyone, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to change system language. First of all, open the settings. From settings list, select system and mark languages. Here click on system language and tap on plus icon. And here select the language that you want to use. You can just scroll down or tap on search button to enter the language that you want to apply, then select it and slide it up to the first place. So just tap and hold and place it on the first place, tap on change, and that's it. As you can see, system language has been already changed. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.